Today, we're taking you to the bottom of the ocean, to a place where few have dared to venture, the Mariana Trench. This is the deepest part of the world's oceans, a realm of darkness and extreme pressure. What we found down there is beyond astonishing and stretches the limits of what we thought possible. From bizarre creatures to unimaginable phenomena, the trench holds secrets that will leave you in awe. And what do we record? Well, you won't believe it. As you go deeper, things can get creepier. Here are some unbelievable discoveries recorded in the Mariana Trench that will blow your mind. Number 1, anglerfish. Picture yourself plunging into the depths of the Mariana Trench and encountering a mutated anglerfish. Yes, you heard that correctly, but let's return to the reality at hand. The anglerfish, lurking in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, are already the stuff of nightmares, but factor in the extreme conditions of the abyss and you've got yourself a true deep-sea terror. And here's the twist. These creatures endure such intense pressures and extreme environments that they could potentially exhibit bizarre, otherworldly traits. Yes, you heard that right. So not only do you have to contend with the anglerfish themselves, with their unnervingly large teeth and eerie bioluminescent lures, but you also need to stay vigilant for the possible hazards they pose. I mean, seriously, no thank you. Anglerfish are already spine-chilling, but imagine them being further mutated by the trench's extreme conditions. It sounds like something straight out of a horror flick. Deep sea indeed. Just think about what might happen if a deep-sea diver were to encounter one of these creatures. They might experience a scenario straight from a nightmare, perhaps becoming entangled in a twisted deep-sea mutation or something similarly unsettling. Number 2, vampire squid. Imagine a creature from the depths of your darkest nightmares, with blood-red eyes that pierce through the blackness of the ocean's depths. Meet the vampire squid, a denizen of the deep that looks like something straight out of a horror movie. With its eerie appearance and sinister name, this creature has captured the imagination of explorers and scientists alike. But despite its fearsome moniker, the vampire squid is more of a gentle giant than a bloodthirsty predator. It's more closely related to octopuses and squids than to true vampires. With its unique adaptations, including webbing between its tentacles and bioluminescent spots that glow in the darkness, the vampire squid is perfectly suited to its deep-sea habitat. While its appearance may be intimidating, it plays a vital role in the ecosystem as a scavenger, feeding on detritus and small prey that drift down from the surface. So while the vampire squid may look like something out of a nightmare, it's just another fascinating inhabitant of the mysterious world beneath the waves. Number 3, bigfin squid. There is a creature so elusive that it is rarely seen by human eyes, hidden in the depths of the ocean where light can scarcely penetrate. Meet the bigfin squid, a mysterious denizen of the deep that has long fascinated scientists and explorers. With its long, slender arms and massive fins that stretch out like wings, the bigfin squid cuts a striking figure in the abyssal darkness. But despite its impressive appearance, very little is known about this enigmatic creature. Its large, protruding eyes suggest that it may be a visual predator scanning the inky depths for prey. Its ability to rapidly change color and shape could be an adaptation for camouflage, allowing it to blend in with its surroundings and evade predators. But until recently, sightings of the bigfin squid were few and far between, leaving scientists with more questions than answers about this elusive creature. However, advances in deep-sea exploration technology have started to shed light on the bigfin squid's mysterious world, revealing a creature that is as strange and wonderful as the deep sea itself. With each discovery, we inch closer to unraveling the secrets of the bigfin squid and unlocking the mysteries of the deep ocean. Number 4, Osedax zombie worms. Imagine descending into the dark depths of the ocean and encountering creatures that seem straight out of a horror movie. Meet the bone-eating zombie worms, also known as Osedax, a bizarre and fascinating species that thrives on the bones of dead whales. These eerie worms have no mouths or stomach. Instead, they secrete acid to bore into the bones and extract nutrients. Their root-like structures extend deep into the bones, absorbing fats and oils left behind by the decaying carcass. Zombie worms play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, breaking down whale bones and recycling nutrients into the environment. Despite their small size, their impact on the deep-sea ecosystem is immense, transforming whale falls into bustling hubs of biological activity. With their ghostly appearance and macabre feeding habits, bone-eating zombie worms are a testament to the strange and wonderful adaptations of life in the deep sea. Scientists continue to study these unique creatures, uncovering more about their biology and their vital role in the ocean's nutrient cycle. The bone-eating zombie worms are just one example of the incredible diversity of life that thrives in the darkest, most mysterious corners of our planet. Number 5. Snailfish. Here, in these extreme conditions, lives a remarkable creature, the snailfish. Snailfish are the deepest-dwelling fish known to science, thriving at depth that would crush most other forms of life. Despite their delicate, almost translucent appearance, snailfish are incredibly resilient and adapted to survive where few others can. Their bodies are soft and gelatinous, lacking the swim bladders that help other fish stay buoyant, an adaptation that allows them to withstand the immense pressure of the deep sea. Snailfish have large heads and tapered bodies, with small eyes that are suited to the dim light of their abyssal habitat. They feed on small crustaceans and other invertebrates, using their suction-like mouths to capture prey. Despite living in one of the harshest environments on Earth, snailfish are surprisingly diverse, with numerous species adapted to different depths and ecological niches. Each discovery of a snailfish species provides valuable insights into the incredible adaptability of life in the deep ocean. These fascinating creatures remind us of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the unexplored depths of our planet. Number 6. Hatchetfish. Imagine exploring the depths of the ocean, where light barely reaches and the environment is as alien as another planet. Here, in these inky black waters, lives the hatchetfish, a creature straight out of a science fiction novel. Named for their distinct hatchet-shaped bodies, these small fish are masters of survival in the deep sea. Their bodies are laterally compressed, giving them a unique silhouette that helps them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. One of the most striking features of the hatchetfish is their bioluminescence. They have photophores along their bellies that produce light, helping them camouflage by mimicking the faint light from above, a phenomenon known as counter-illumination. Hatchetfish have large, upward-facing eyes that are adapted to detect the slightest glimmer of light, allowing them to spot prey and predators in the darkness. Despite their small size, hatchetfish are formidable hunters, feeding on tiny crustaceans and plankton that drift through the deep ocean currents. Their ability to thrive in such a harsh environment showcases the incredible adaptability of deep-sea creatures. Scientists are continually fascinated by the hatchetfish, as studying them provides insights into the complex ecosystems of the deep ocean. These remarkable fish remind us of the endless wonders that lie beneath the surface of our world's oceans, waiting to be discovered. Number 7. Dragonfish. Picture yourself diving into the deep ocean, where the sun's rays can't penetrate and darkness envelops everything. In this shadowy realm lives a fearsome predator, the dragonfish. With its long, slender body and menacing appearance, the dragonfish is aptly named. One of the most striking features of the dragonfish is its large, sharp teeth, which it uses to snare unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black depths. But perhaps even more impressive is its bioluminescence. The dragonfish has light-producing organs called photophores along its body, which it uses to lure prey and communicate with other dragonfish. This ability to produce light in the darkness is crucial for survival in the deep sea, where light is scarce. Dragonfish also possess a unique adaptation. Their eyes are sensitive to the faintest glimmers of light, allowing them to spot prey and predators in the murky waters. Despite living in one of the most extreme environments on Earth, dragonfish are highly effective hunters. They feed on a variety of smaller fish and invertebrates, using their bioluminescent lure to attract victims within striking range. Studying dragonfish helps scientists understand more about the adaptations required for survival in the deep ocean. These extraordinary creatures are a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life in the deep sea. The dragonfish reminds us of the mysterious and often terrifying beauty that lies hidden in the uncharted depth of our planet's oceans. Number 8. Oarfish. This is the oarfish, the longest bony fish in the world, capable of reaching lengths up to 36 feet, a creature so long and slender that it seems to glide through the ocean like a ribbon of silver. Living in the deep ocean, the oarfish is rarely seen by humans, adding an air of mystery to its already legendary status. With its undulating, ribbon-like body and bright silver scales, the oarfish is both mesmerizing and otherworldly. Its dorsal fin runs the length of its body, and it uses this fin to move gracefully through the water, resembling the oar of a boat, hence its name. One of the most striking features of the oarfish is its long, red dorsal fin rays that extend like a crown from its head, giving it a regal and almost mythical appearance. Despite its size, the oarfish is a gentle giant, feeding primarily on tiny plankton and small crustaceans, which it filters from the water. Its elusive nature has led to many myths and legends, often being mistaken for sea serpents by sailors of old. Oarfish are known to inhabit deep waters, typically at depths of around 650 to 3,300 feet, though they occasionally venture closer to the surface, often due to illness or distress. Studying the oarfish provides valuable insights into life in the mesopelagic zone, a part of the ocean that remains largely unexplored. These magnificent creatures remind us of the vast, mysterious, and often awe-inspiring world that exists beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. Number 9. Sarcastic fringe head. Imagine coming face to face with one of the ocean's most bizarre and fiercely territorial creatures, the sarcastic fringe head. Despite its quirky name, this fish is anything but funny when it comes to defending its home. Sarcastic fringe heads are known for their dramatic, aggressive displays, opening their enormous mouths wide to intimidate rivals and predators alike. These small, unassuming fish transform into fearsome warriors, with their mouths extending to nearly 4 times their head size. Living in burrows or abandoned shells along the seafloor, they fiercely guard their territory against any intruders. When two fringe heads confront each other, they engage in epic mouth battles, pushing and shoving with their gaping jaws to establish dominance. Their exaggerated displays are not just for show. These fish mean business and will fiercely fight off any perceived threat. Despite their aggressive nature, sarcastic fringe heads are fascinating examples of adaptation and survival in the competitive environment of the ocean floor. Their oversized mouths and bold behavior make them one of the most memorable and intriguing creatures of the marine world. These feisty fish remind us that in the vast ocean, even the smallest inhabitants can have the biggest personalities. Number 10. Frilled shark. Meet the frilled shark, often referred to as a living fossil due to its primitive features and ancient lineage, a creature that looks like it swam out of prehistory. With its long, eel-like body and 6 pairs of gill slits that resemble a frill around its neck, this shark is both fascinating and eerie. The frilled shark's mouth is filled with rows of needle-like teeth, perfect for snaring its prey in the depths of the ocean. Living at depths of up to 5,000 feet, the frilled shark is rarely seen by humans, adding to its mysterious allure. Its serpentine body allows it to move with a unique, undulating motion, reminiscent of an eel or sea serpent. Unlike most sharks, which have a more streamlined shape, the frilled shark's body and ancient features harken back to a time when different rules of survival applied. This elusive predator feeds primarily on squid, fish, and other deep-sea creatures, capturing them with a quick lunge and swallowing them whole. Despite its fearsome appearance, the frilled shark is not a threat to humans, as it dwells far beyond the reach of most ocean activities. Studying the frilled shark provides valuable insights into the evolutionary history of sharks and the adaptations necessary for survival in the deep sea. The frilled shark reminds us of the incredible diversity of life in our oceans and the many mysteries that still lie hidden in the depths. Number 11. Dumbo octopus. Imagine exploring the dark depths of the ocean and encountering a creature so enchanting it seems straight out of a fairy tale. Meet the Dumbo octopus, named for its fins that resemble the oversized ears of Disney's famous flying elephant. These fins extend from the sides of its head-like mantle, giving it a whimsical, almost cartoonish appearance as it glides gracefully through the water. The The Dumbo octopus inhabits the deep ocean, typically at depths ranging from 9,800 to 13,000 feet, far below the reach of sunlight. With its gelatinous body and soft, umbrella-like shape, it is perfectly adapted to the high-pressure, low-temperature environment of the deep sea. Unlike other octopuses that crawl along the seafloor, the Dumbo octopus propels itself by flapping its ear-like fins, a movement that is both efficient and endearing. Feeding primarily on small crustaceans, worms, and other invertebrates, the Dumbo octopus uses its tentacles to capture prey, which it then swallows whole. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Dumbo octopus is its reproductive strategy. Females carry eggs of various developmental stages, allowing them to lay eggs continuously without a specific breeding season. Their translucent skin and gentle, fluid movements create a mesmerizing spectacle, making them a favorite among deep-sea explorers and marine biologists. Despite their otherworldly appearance, Dumbo octopuses are elusive creatures, and much about their biology and behavior remains a mystery. These enchanting creatures remind us of the hidden wonders of the deep ocean and the endless marvels that lie waiting to be discovered beneath the wave. Number 12. Goblin shark. Meet the goblin shark, an ancient and elusive predator often referred to as a living fossil. With its long, flat snout and protruding jaws filled with needle-like teeth, the goblin shark is one of the most bizarre and terrifying-looking sharks in the ocean. This deep-sea dweller can be found at depths of up to 4,300 feet, where it glides through the dark waters in search of prey. What sets the goblin shark apart is its ability to thrust its jaws forward to snatch prey, a unique adaptation that allows it to capture fast-moving animals in the dark, murky depths. Its snout is covered in specialized sensory organs that detect the electric fields produced by other animals, helping it locate prey even when visibility is low. The goblin shark's pinkish-gray coloration and flabby body are well suited to its deep-sea habitat, where the lack of sunlight makes camouflage less important. Feeding primarily on fish, squid, and crustaceans, the goblin shark uses its extendable jaws to surprise and seize its prey. Despite its fearsome appearance, the goblin shark is not a threat to humans, as it inhabits regions far beyond where most people swim or dive. Studying the goblin shark helps scientists understand more about the evolutionary history of sharks and the adaptations necessary for survival in the deep sea. The goblin shark serves as a reminder of the ancient, mysterious, and often eerie world that exists beneath the ocean's surface, waiting to be explored and understood. Number 13. Fang-toothed fish. Can you imagine diving into the depths of the ocean where the pressure is crushing and the darkness is absolute and encountering a creature straight from the nightmares of the deep? Meet the fang-toothed fish, a ferocious predator that lurks in the abyssal depths, boasting some of the most terrifying teeth in the animal kingdom. With its fearsome appearance and jagged, needle-like teeth that give it a menacing grin, the fang-toothed fish strikes fear into the hearts of prey and predators alike. Despite its terrifying visage, the fang-toothed fish is relatively small, typically reaching lengths of only about 6 inches. But what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in ferocity and adaptability to its extreme environment. Living at depths of up to 16,000 feet, the fang-toothed fish has evolved to withstand the crushing pressure and near-freezing temperatures of the deep sea. Its large, upward-facing eyes are perfectly suited to detecting the faintest traces of bioluminescent prey in the darkness, allowing it to hunt with deadly precision. Feeding primarily on smaller fish and crustaceans, the fang-toothed fish uses its razor-sharp teeth to seize and devour its prey in the blink of an eye. Despite its fearsome reputation, the fang-toothed fish plays a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem, helping to regulate populations of other marine creatures. Studying the fang-toothed fish provides valuable insights into the adaptations necessary for survival in the harsh conditions of the deep sea. This enigmatic creature serves as a reminder of the wonders and terrors that lie hidden in the darkest reaches of our planet's oceans, waiting to be discovered. Number 14. Sea spiders. Pycnogonids. Meet the sea spider, also known as pycnogonids, a group of marine arthropods that defy conventional expectations of what a spider should be looking so strange and alien-like that it seems to belong to another world entirely. With their long, spindly legs and small bodies, sea spiders resemble something out of a science fiction movie rather than a creature of the ocean. But despite their eerie appearance, sea spiders are fascinating creatures with a unique biology and lifestyle. They can be found in oceans around the world, from shallow coastal waters to the deepest trenches, where they scuttle across the seafloor in search of prey. Sea spiders are incredibly diverse, with thousands of species ranging in size from just a few millimeters to over a foot in length. Their bodies are so delicate that they lack a respiratory system, relying instead on diffusion to absorb oxygen directly from the water. One of the most remarkable aspects of sea spiders is their feeding behavior. Using their long, slender proboscis, they pierce the soft tissues of their prey, such as cnidarians and small invertebrates, and suck out their fluids. Despite their name, sea spiders are not true spiders and are more closely related to horseshoe crabs and arachnids. Studying sea spiders provides valuable insights into the diversity and evolution of marine life, as well as the unique adaptations that allow organisms to thrive in the ocean's depth. These enigmatic creatures serve as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the marine world, where even the strangest creatures can find a niche and flourish. Number 15. Gulper eel. Imagine descending into the deepest, darkest part of the ocean, where the pressure is crushing and the darkness is absolute, lives one of the most peculiar and mysterious creatures of the deep sea, the gulper eel. With its long, serpent-like body and enormous jaws, the gulper eel is a master of adaptation to the extreme conditions of the deep ocean. Its most distinctive feature is its gaping mouth, which can open wide enough to swallow prey much larger than itself. This unique adaptation allows the gulper eel to capture and consume a wide variety of prey, from small fish to larger crustaceans and even other eels. Despite its fearsome appearance, the gulper eel is a gentle giant of the deep, using its bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the darkness. Living at depths of up to 6,000 meters, the gulper eel has evolved to thrive in an environment where few other creatures can survive. Its long, ribbon-like body and large, sensitive eyes are perfectly suited to life in the abyssal depth where food is scarce and predators are few. Studying the gulper eel provides valuable insights into the biology and ecology of the deep ocean, as well as the adaptations necessary for survival in such an extreme environment. Encounters with these mysterious creatures in the depths of the Mariana Trench remind us of the wonders that lie hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered and explored. And that's all for today's dive into the mysterious creatures of the deep ocean. From the eerie gulper eel of the Mariana Trench to the ghostly sea spiders and fearsome goblin sharks, the depths of our oceans are filled with bizarre and fascinating life forms. Do you find any of these creatures particularly bizarre or creepy? Let me know in the comments below.